one, the Canberra Institute of Technology. Now, they are looking for somebody aged between 25 and 35. Very interesting, and they pay, by the way. In New South Wales, I said the governments are having a bit of a cycle at the moment. There's a whole lot of research and development bodies on the website, which I haven't listed today. Affordable housing is a topic that we have followed for a very long time at Women on Boards, and the themes are New Zealand, young persons, environmental, financial services, resourcey type boards in New South Wales, housing, and an icon body. Have a look on the website if you paid your subscription fee, and if not, pay your subscription fee. I approve most of these vacancies, so I normally know a bit about them, and I've usually spoken to the contact person. Happy hunting.